kotanya ya, rame. Kalamazoo. Lumayan ya.
Iya. Kita mau interstate loh. Kita jadi Raja waktu kecil ya, waktu Raja kecil, Raja main game. Raja itu ngikutin teman-teman Raja, saudara-saudara Raja. Itu pakai nama nickname-nya, nickname pesawat tempur.
Oh.
Jadi Raja juga mikir pesawat tempur apa yang Raja suka, namanya Blackbird. Blackbird itu SR-71. Terus saya jalan-jalan lah ya ke sini. Terus saya jalan-jalan. Halo. Halo, halo. I'm doing good. How about you?
Very good. Have you been to the Air Zoo before?
Yeah, I've been to the Air Zoo before.
Oh, so you can give tours?
Yeah, I can give tours. I've been here 3 times already. I love this place.
Okay, well there are some things that are new, including our Rosie the Riveter exhibit, which is right there by the back of the B-25.
All right.
And we also have, of course, you probably have seen the aliens and androids.
Yeah.
That's, of course, that's in the back room with space. And everything else is slowly changing and new things are showing up, but it's not big things. Those are the 2 big things.
Do you guys still have the simulators or no?
They're not working.
They're not
because of
working.
COVID.
Ah, I see. That's fine.
Too much cleaning and
I see.
and state has still kind of said you can't do any rides and things like that yet.
Understand.
The theater is open. The theater is open, and it's showing movies every half hour or every hour and a half or whatever, depending on what the length of the movie is. But everything else is the rides and things are closed.
All right.
Sorry to tell you that.
This is my son because he studied aviation.
I'm taking aviation maintenance.
Well, great.
Yeah.
Great. That's the Andrews and University.
Yes, I brought them to Anderson.
Andrews? Oh,
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Very
That's
good. Very
Awesome
good.
place. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
we're that way or this way?
Your choice.
All right.
Okay.
This would be historically to go around.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Okay.
And,
Okay.
yeah.
I was actually going to show them down the
Well,
SR.
go whichever way you want.
All right. Thank you so much. Sir. No, seriously. Let's go here. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. You can go backwards in time.
All right. So, come back to my story. Yami,
Yeah.
first time Raja datang ke Air Zoo,
Yeah.
Raja cari, tiba-tiba Raja lihat ini,
Oh,
Blackbird SR-71. Raja nggak pernah kebayang bisa ngelihatnya secara langsung.
Bisa masuk.
Harusnya bisa, tapi kayaknya naiknya mungkin ya, Bu. Serius, ini stealth fighter, pesawat tempur yang sempat menjadi paling cepat.
Jadi kita bahasa Indonesianya namanya ini si burung hantu. Bahasa Indonesianya. Dan dia bisa terbang tidak kedengaran suaranya.
Yes,
wow.
exactly right. Okay, SR-71. Jadi ini bagian dalamnya. Unfortunately kita nggak bisa masuk ke dalam buat ngelihat secara langsung, tapi kita coba nanti. Jadi pusatnya itu ada di California, Okinawa, United Kingdom. Ini jadi kurang lebih seperti ini bentuk besarnya. Coba ya.
Turbojet engine. Ini view dari belakangnya. Pesawat tempur yang besar.
Perempuan pertama yang menjadi pilot pada Juli 2, 1937 dan dia dinyatakan hilang. Dia terbang melewati Atlantic Ocean dan dia hilang di situ. Dan dia dinyatakan meninggal pada Januari 5, 1939.
Jadi dia perempuan pertama.
Perempuan pertama yang menjadi pilot dan perempuan pertama yang melakukan solo flight pertama menggunakan pesawat yang kecil. Maksudnya?
Be aware of sniper. Snipernya mana? Itu tulisannya be aware of. Be aware of sniper. Snipernya mana? Lihat nggak?
Itu di atas sana.
Ah,
Gimana?
itu dia di atas sana.
Sniper.
Kelihatan nggak ya?
If you go up the stairs, you can get to the mezzanine and overlooks the whole gallery. That's where you get your best picture of the SR-71.
I know, but we want to go to the next building first,
Okay, do you remember how to get there?
and then come back for the theater, and then go back up.
Yes.
Alright.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Biasanya ada bus shuttle.